My name's Scott Greer, head chef of North Park, an American-style venue. The place is themed on the Southern California, so it's just really family-orientated. It's nice and warm and it's a great place. I've travelled all over the world, been cooking pizzas for 30 years. Wood-fired pizza is just a special way to make pizzas. The manuka wood that we use gives a smoky flavour. The dough, starting the oven early in the morning. Our products are made in the pizza oven for the pizzas. We do about 9 or 10 different styles. We update them and change them quite regularly. We've got some of the best nachos in town. It takes a good 2 days to make them. We cook the brisket for 12 hours, then we mix it all together and then we cook that mix out, and then we make all of our own corn chips and then all of our own dip. When people see it with their eyes, it's amazing. Cocktails that we are doing are obviously American style cocktails. We still have our New Zealand traditional ones. We do a lot of margarita jugs. Our cocktails are very colourful, fun, just like you're on holiday in Mexico. Being on the waterfront on a beautiful day, you can't beat it. We just want you to walk away, feel like you've had a great time, come back and see us again.